So I equals 1 at the bottom of your summation sign tells you that you start with a value of 1 for I. And then you always go up by increments of 1. And you stop when you get done with this top number. So we're going to let I be 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Those will be my values of I. So the first time through, it'll be 7 times 1 plus 1 plus 7 times 2 plus 1 plus 7 times 3 plus 1 plus 7 times 4 plus 1 plus 7 times 5 plus 1. And my last one will be when I equals 6, 7 times 6 plus 1. And there's your first number. And of course you sum because we're dealing with a summation sign. And there's my next one, just so I can kind of differentiate what's going on. Now let's go back and do what's inside our parentheses. And that will be 7 times 1 is 1, plus 1 is 8. So that's going to be 8 plus 14, 21 be 22, 29. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36, plus 42 plus 1 is 43. I grab my calculator. 8, 15, 22, 29, 36 plus 43. That gives me a sum of 153. That's your answer.